Hi madam, our group has produced a printing service, so our company name is Printing Express. Printing Express is a Malaysia-based company and it produces a lot of the stationery and the printing services to the public. Printing Express key activities is about photocopy, designing, and printing of a paper sheet. So our customers is mainly from students, lecturers, and public sector workers. Besides, Printing Express revenue streams is from our sales and the services they charge from our customers. Next, Printing Express key partner is include of Unimap, UUM, and the private corporation in Malaysia. Let's go to the organization structure of Printing Express. The CEO of Printing Express is Dean, and the sales and marketing manager is Jennifer. The operations and technical manager is Lutfi. The accounting and financial manager is Shant, and the purchasing manager is Wani. Now I'm going to explain about the human resource of Printing Express. So the HR department of Printing Express is also in charge of hiring and recruitment, worker development, and maintain the interdepartment relations and the interemployment employment laws. Besides, the departments work hard behind the scenes as to ensure that organizations operate efficiently and effectively.
Now, I'll continue with supplier information. Our first supplier is Blue Solutions Sdn Berhad. It is a photocopy machine supplier company. We have purchased 3 black and white photocopier and 2 color photocopier from Blue Solution. The photocopier brand that they provide are Fuji, HP, Samsung, and others. They have in-depth of knowledge of the world of digital copier technology and specialize in managed print service, color printers, black and white printers, cost-saving office consulting, service Blu-ray, office networking setup, and also short-term rental services. The reason why we choose Blue Solutions Sdn Berhad as our company supplier is because Blue Solutions Sdn Berhad own clients such as Gamuda, Sunway, IJM, SP Setia Berhad Group, Top Glove, and other companies. Our second major supplier is Prostate Office Supplies Sdn Berhad. It is a stationery supplier company. Prostate Office Supplies Sdn Berhad can easily find the business essential customer needs like A4 paper, office stationery, ink, and tone cartridge, office furniture, and automation. The stationery brands that they provide are AA, IK Paper One, Lucky Star, HP, Pilot, Stabilo, and all major brands. The reason why we choose Prostate Office Supplies Sdn Berhad as our company supplier is because it owns clients such as Uniqlo, TV3, Inti, and other companies. Next is servicing process. Firstly, Printing Express will receive order from clients, which mostly from Unimap and UUM. Next is printing or photocopy according to the needs of our clients, which they can choose color, pages in a page or paper, and even the size of the paper. After that, we will fulfill the needs of our customer to bind, stapler, or laminate the item. Besides, we also sell some stationery in our shop. Lastly, proceed with the payment process. We will calculate the cost according to the product or service that the customer chooses.
For my part is capital or fund allocation and source. For capital, our company Printing Express use capital from our own CEO-DIN money. Because of our company still new, then we do not have so much capital to for our business. From the capital CEO-DIN, we use it to buy all of photocopy machine that needed in our business. And unfortunately, the capital from CEO-DIN is not enough because the price of printer is a bit higher than our expectation. So that CEO-DIN made a loan from bank to add on company capital. And next, I will explain about costing method apply. In Printing Express Company, we use job order costing method as the costing method apply. Job order costing is used in condition where our company give to customers a special service that based on their requirement. In Printing Express Company, there are several steps that can used by our customer to fulfill the job order costing method. First of all, the customer will come and request to our workers to do the job. The customer will ask the worker to tape or binding the photocopy paper or stapler or as they want. Then our worker we recorded all of the thing that needed by our customer. Then our worker will ask the customer to come to pick the photocopy that been done in the next day. We do not we don't do it in the same day because it will take times and we do not want our customers to wait for a long time. That's all, madam. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shan. So I'm going to talk about marketing and sales distribution channel. First of all, when we're going to talk about marketing, we shouldn't skip the marketing mix, which consists of 4 P's: product, place, price, and promotion. So when it comes to Printing Express, our product is mainly printing services and we focus on documentation printing. Secondly, when we go to price, our price is actually student-based price. So we're gonna set our price lower than our competitor. This is because that our main target customers are students. So students, they don't generate any income. So it is not appropriate to set a higher price. And when it comes to place, when we say that our targeted customer are students, obviously you're gonna place our shop nearby a campus. So we are placing our shop in Kanga, Perlis, which is close to the School of Business Innovation and Entrepreneurship, also known as PPAID. And when it comes to promotion, we will promote our shop via social media accounts such as Instagram, Facebook. This is because nowadays students are easy to be reached using social media accounts. Besides, we will be giving some pamphlets in their campus, distributing to each one of them, or maybe some, because to let them know that we have opened a shop specifically for students. So moving on to sales, the table below shows the projected total revenue for 3 years. As you can see, there are 4 types of services that we are providing to our customers, and each of the price that we set for each services are different. This is because the cost included in each type of services varies as well. So for the first year, we targeted to get at least 200,000 ringgit, which increased to 250,000 to the next year, and on the third year, we targeted to reach at least 300,000. So next is markup. We have increased our price slightly compared to our cost price in order to obtain profit. So first of all, for black and white printing, we have increased our price up to 25 ringgit. For color printing, we have increased our price up to 50 ringgit. For laser printing, we have increased our price to 166 ringgit and 67 cents. And for photocopy services, we have increased our price up to 100 ringgit. So the final one for this topic is distribution channel. So for the distribution channel, it is a one-way distribution channel where from the retailer to the consumer. So we don't need any intermediaries here because we have a shop. So the customers will come to us to obtain the services. So we will handling our customer face to face. So this is a one-way distribution channel from retailer to consumer. So let's move on to financial planning, or also known as profit planning. In this segment, we're going to learn about the long-term monetary plan of Printing Express. So first of all, let's take a look in our projected profit and loss. As you can see, there are ups and downs. This is profit monthly. We expect to receive a high revenue or profit in April and October, meanwhile the lowest in June and July. This is because in April and October is when the students will be busy with their assignment and tasks which need to be printed. And on the other hand, June and July is where the students will be away for their long-term sem break, so most of them won't be available in their campus. Next is profit yearly. As I mentioned before, we expected our profit to increase over the year. This is our projected profit and loss sheet. So first of all, for the first year, which is 2020, we expect to receive 122,658 ringgit, and the following year, we expect our revenue to increase to 165,334 ringgit, and on the third year, we expect to receive 208,850 ringgit. Next is our projected cash flow. As shown in the table, this is our projected cash flow for the 3 years. And finally, for this part, it's projected balance sheet. This is our balance sheet where we projected for 3 years.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad IZZUDIN. Today I'm going to present about our company future plan. So as a newcomer in this industry, there are still a lot of room and part that we need to improve. So as the first step, we plan to strengthen our market position by establish a good partnership with our client. We're gonna provide our client with high quality service. For your information, our ultimate aim is to gain more profit. So to achieve that, we're gonna extend our business across Malaysia. So to make that happen, we're gonna build our supply chain from distributor to ensure that our production runs smoothly without being disrupted by lack of resource and supply. After that, we can gradually gain our market share and develop a good relationship with customer to sustain our income. We also plan to make a Printing Express advertising company. Using our expertise in printing, we're gonna use such a method like banner, poster, pamphlet, and so on to do the advertising ads. So our hope that in 5 years we can achieve this target and make Printing Express exist in all over the Malaysia, include Sabah and Sarawak. Thank you.